Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see German Goethe A2 level exam pattern. So how the exam is conducted, what are the different modules that we are going to see here. So we'll start with the video. Now basically there are four main modules in A2 level exam, just like A1 exam, okay? But there will be little variations obviously that we are going to see here. Now first module will be Hören. Hören meaning listening. Okay, so the next one will be Lesen. Lesen is reading. Then the third one is Schreiben. Schreiben is writing. And Sprechen. Sprechen is speaking. Now one by one we'll see each module. So in first module that is called as Hören. Hören or listening. So in that four tiles will be there. In first tile you will be allowed to listen to 5 different audios, okay, and there will be 5 different tasks. For each video there will be one task and then you will have to mark the correct one. It will be MCQ, okay, and those 5 audios it played twice, so you will get enough time to understand what is the audio. Now in next tile 2, there will be only one audio, okay, single audio, and based on that there will be 5 different questions or tasks, and based on that single audio you will have to answer those 5 tasks, okay. So this is clear, and this one audio it is played just once, right? Got it? Now in third tile there will be 5 audios. Again it is played once, okay, unlike the first tile. Now here it is played just once, and again there will be 5 tasks and you will have to solve those. And in tile 4 you listen to only one audio. Mostly it will be an interview, but that will be played twice, okay, and there will be 5 tasks, and the pattern will be true or false, richtig oder falsch, okay. So you will have to mark that, meaning you will have to cross the correct one, okay, in this exam. Now there is this reading section, okay. Reading section is called as Lesen in German. Again there will be 4 tiles. In first tile there will be an editorial from newspaper, and you will have to read it carefully, and there will be 5 tasks again for you, and in that first tile you have to complete the sentences. There will be 5 incomplete sentences and you will have to complete those, okay. Got it? So this is the first tile. Then in second tile the one information board will be given to you from a shopping mall, okay, just like we see in a shopping mall, the same kind of thing. The information board you will get there, on which level which shop is there, what you will get on which level, everything will be there, and then accordingly you will have to choose. Just for example, now if you want to have a coffee with your friend, then they will give you this task, which level you will choose. So there will be a coffee shop in some level, first, second, third or fourth. There you have to choose that, okay. Then in second, suppose, and for example, if you want to buy a sofa, then you will have to look for a furniture shop where you get that, on which levels, which is the correct one, that you will have to see there and mark the correct one, okay. This is the second tile from lesson section. Now in third tile you will get an email to read, okay, and then there will be 5 incomplete sentences just like tile 1, and you will have to complete those sentences. Again there will be 5 tasks. Then in tile 4 there will be 6 website screenshots, okay. So you will have to read those website screenshots carefully, and you have to match with the requirement, okay, which website is correct for which requirement or for given requirement, that you will have to see there. So this is all about lesson section. Lesson is reading. Now there will be expression section or expression module, that is writing. Okay, in that there will be two tiles. In first tile you will have to write one SMS. Okay, and the maximum limit for this SMS should be like 30 words. It should not exceed 30 words. Now in second tile, you will have to write an email. Mostly it will be formal email, and then you will have to uh, given this thing, you will have to write that, but the maximum limit is 40 words or 6 to 7 lines you can write on that. Then comes speaking or expression. Okay, in this module there will be 3 tiles. In first tile you will get 4 cards. Okay, it is a card based activity, and on that particular card there will be some word, German word, and based on that you will have to talk. Okay, in second tile there will be like 4 points and one theme will be given and 4 points will be given, and based on that you will have to talk. Okay, for 2-3 sentences that is enough. Suppose they will give you Geburtstag is birthday, theme will be Geburtstag, they will give some 4 points, and then you will have to talk about that. This is clear? Okay. And now in third tile, this is a partner based activity. You and your partner will get one calendar each, and particularly on that you will have to choose one purpose. You have to find one purpose, one common purpose, and a common place to meet, common time to meet. Okay, so that will be the uh, partner based activity. So this is all about German A2 level exam. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye bye.